The ocean holds many secrets. Deep beneath the waves, a creature lives. This creature is the octopus. It has a soft body and 8 long arms. The octopus is a master of change. They can solve puzzles and use tools. Their intelligence challenges our understanding. The octopus is a marvel of the ocean. The body of an octopus is truly strange. Imagine having not 1, but 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood through the gills. Gills are how octopuses breathe underwater. This blood then goes to the 3rd heart, which circulates the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. This system is very efficient for their life. The blood of an octopus is also unusual. Our blood is red because it contains iron. Octopus blood is blue because it uses a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is better for carrying oxygen in cold water and low-oxygen environments. This is perfect for life in the ocean depths. Having 3 hearts makes sense for an active predator. Octopuses need a lot of oxygen. They move quickly and hunt for food. Their muscles need a good supply of energy. The 3-heart system ensures this. Interestingly, the main systemic heart stops beating when the octopus swims. This is one reason why they tend to crawl more than they swim long distances. Swimming is very tiring for them because of this cardiac quirk. This complex circulatory system supports a very flexible body. Octopuses have no bones, allowing them to squeeze into tiny spaces. They can pour their bodies through small openings. Their only hard part is their beak, which is like a parrot's beak. It is hidden in the center of their arms and is strong enough to eat crabs and shellfish. The combination of a soft body and strong beak makes them formidable hunters. Their anatomy is perfectly suited for their life. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. When we think of a brain, we usually imagine one. The octopus challenges this idea completely. It has not 1, but 9 brains. There is a central brain, shaped like a donut, located in what we might call its head. This central brain controls the nervous system and is responsible for learning and decision-making. It processes information from its keen eyes. The other 8 brains are found in its arms. Each of the octopus's 8 arms has its own mini-brain. These are technically large ganglia, or nerve clusters. These arm brains have a lot of independence. They can control the movement of that arm and process sensory information from the suckers. This means each arm can act semi-independently. It is like having 8 smaller minds all working together with the central brain. This distributed intelligence is truly remarkable. This system allows for incredible multitasking. An octopus can be exploring a crevice with 1 arm, holding onto a rock with another, and tasting a potential food item with a 3rd. All of this can happen at the same time. The central brain doesn't have to micromanage every single movement. It can give a general command like move forward, and the arms figure out the details. They coordinate with each other to achieve the goal. This is a very efficient way to operate. The number of neurons an octopus has is impressive. A common octopus has about 500 million neurons, more than many mammals. Most of these neurons are not in the central brain. About 2/3 of them are in the arms. The octopus truly thinks with its entire body. The arms of an octopus are more than just limbs. They are active participants in the octopus's world. Each arm can taste and touch. The suckers on the arms are incredibly sensitive. They can detect chemicals in the water. This means an arm can taste something just by touching it. Imagine being able to explore your dinner with your fingers, and knowing what it is before you even bring it to your mouth. This is what an octopus arm can do. It is a powerful sensory tool. Because each arm has its own mini brain, it can react quickly. If an arm touches something dangerous, it can pull back without waiting for instructions from the central brain. This is very useful for survival. It allows for rapid responses to threats. The arms can also work together on complex tasks. For example, they can cooperate to open a clam or pass an object from one arm to another. This coordination is fascinating to watch. It is like a team of skilled workers. Scientists have done experiments to study arm independence. In some studies, an arm that has been severed can still react, grasp things, and respond to touch. This shows the power of the arm's local control system. The central brain provides overall direction, but the arms handle the fine details of movement and sensation. This is a unique form of intelligence. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. One of the octopus's most famous abilities is its camouflage. It can change its skin color and texture almost instantly. In less than a second, an octopus can disappear, blending perfectly with its surroundings. This ability is crucial for survival. It helps the octopus avoid predators and sneak up on prey. How does the octopus achieve this incredible feat? Its skin contains special cells called chromatophores. These are tiny sacs filled with pigment. Each chromatophore is surrounded by tiny muscles. When these muscles contract, they pull the sac open, making the color visible. When the muscles relax, the sac shrinks, and the color becomes less visible. The octopus can control thousands of these cells, creating complex patterns on its skin. The control of these chromatophores is very precise. It is directly linked to the octopus's brain and eyes. The octopus sees its environment, then its brain sends signals to the chromatophores. This allows it to match the colors and patterns around it. The octopus is a master of disguise. Beyond simple color matching, the octopus's skin is a dynamic canvas. It communicates a wealth of information. The ability to change skin texture is just as important as color change. The octopus has papillae all over its skin. These are small, muscular projections. The octopus can control these papillae. It can make them smooth and flat or tall and spiky. This allows it to perfectly mimic the texture of its surroundings. A smooth octopus can suddenly look like a rough, algae-covered rock. This textural transformation is incredibly fast. It happens in sync with the color changes. This ability is controlled by its nervous system. It requires a lot of brain power. The octopus needs to see its environment, analyze the textures, and send the correct signals to all the papillae. It is a complex and coordinated process. Octopuses also use their skin changes to talk to each other. During mating rituals, males might display vibrant colors and change their skin texture. This can be a way to impress females or warn off rival males. Different patterns can mean different things. Scientists are still learning to decode this visual language. The skin is also incredibly sensitive. The entire skin surface of an octopus is likely sensitive too. It can detect changes in water pressure and feel vibrations. This helps the octopus understand its environment. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. Octopuses are highly intelligent invertebrates. Their problem-solving abilities are astonishing. They can learn from experience and remember solutions. In labs, they navigate mazes and distinguish shapes. This learning level is usually seen in vertebrates. Octopuses show us intelligence evolves differently. A famous example is opening jars. Scientists give them food inside screw-top jars. They learn to unscrew the lid and remember it. Some learn by watching others. This is observational learning, an advanced skill. Octopuses have been observed using tools. The veined octopus carries coconut shells as shelters. It assembles them to create a protective sphere. This shows foresight and planning. Their curiosity points to their intelligence. Octopuses explore new objects and investigate. They seem to play with objects. Some push bottles towards water jets. This looks like play behavior linked to intelligence. The octopus continues to surprise us with its cleverness. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. The octopus continues to surprise us with its cleverness. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. The octopus is a marvel of biological engineering. Octopuses are legendary for their ability to escape. They are the Houdinis of the ocean. Their soft, boneless bodies are key to this skill. An octopus can squeeze through any opening larger than its beak. The beak is the only hard part of its body. This means a large octopus can escape through a tiny hole. Aquarium keepers know this well. They have to be very careful. Octopuses are notorious for escaping their tanks. They can slip through small gaps. Their intelligence also helps them escape. They can figure out how to open latches and manipulate objects to create an escape route. There are many stories of octopuses escaping. Some have even traveled from one tank to another. They might leave their tank at night, crawl across the floor and enter another tank, perhaps to find food. This requires planning and navigation. It shows a clear understanding of their surroundings. Their strength is also surprising. An octopus might look soft, but its arms are very strong. The suckers on its arms create a powerful grip. They can use this strength to pull open tank lids and resist being caught. If a predator grabs an arm, the octopus might detach it. This is called autotomy. The arm can keep moving for a while, distracting the predator. The octopus then has a chance to escape. It will later regrow the lost arm. This desire to explore and escape is part of their nature. They are curious creatures. Their escape artistry is not just a party trick, it is a vital survival skill. The octopus is a master of freedom. The octopus is truly one of nature's most astonishing creations. From its alien-like anatomy with 3 hearts and blue blood, to its distributed nervous system featuring 9 brains, it defies simple categorization. Each of its 8 arms acts as a semi-independent agent, capable of tasting, touching, and reacting on its own. Its mastery of camouflage is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Beyond its physical marvels, the octopus exhibits remarkable cognitive abilities. In every aspect of its being, the octopus inspires awe and wonder.